Hi, in front of me is POCO M3 and today I would like to show you how you can change device theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings, scroll down and tap on Themes. Then go into My Page and tap on Themes again. Over here pick one of the system ones by tapping on it and click Apply. As you can see, theme of my device has changed, but if you wanna try something else, go into Settings again, choose Themes, tap on the search bar and type whatever you want. Now, click on the theme that you like the best, I will go with that one, and choose Free. Then tap on Apply. As you can see, theme of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!